Hello friends, in this lecture we will take a look at CSS Display Property. So already we have seen in our HTML section that we have inline level elements and block level elements. Now we will apply our that concept here. So we already have seen these two property values. So here we have a div where it is written I like cheese, and its output is just like this. It's simple. Now let's come to style, select the div, and let's provide a color hash, say a light color, that is say DDD, and provide a background color, say hash 333. Let's save it, refresh here. It looks as expected. Now the background is taking full width because, as you already know, div is a block level element. Now you can control the display of an element. I mean, you can change a block level element to an inline level element. How? Just by changing the display property, as we have seen previously also. So just change it to inline. Now you will see that the background color is not taking the full width of the line or the full width of the page. It will just take necessary space. I mean, it will be applied only to I like cheese background. Refresh, and there it is. Now display, we have seen display block and display inline. Now there are some other values also like inline block. Now we have already seen the difference between inline and block. Now what is inline block? Inline block accepts all the properties of inline and block. For inline elements, if you provide width and height, it will not be taken. Let's see. Let's provide a width, say 300 pixel. Let's save it and hit refresh. See, it's not happening. But let's change it to inline block. Let's save it, hit refresh. Now see, it is accepting because it's inline block. So inline block accepts inline properties and also block properties. This width and height properties are applied to block level elements, and an inline level element or an inline element does not accept the width property, but inline block accepts all the properties of inline and block. Now we have another value, that is none. Let's make it display none. Save it and take a look. See, now we can't see because its display is none. We are hiding it. So what are the values that can be used? One is none, another is inline, another block, and the most important, inline block. So inline block accept all the properties of inline and block. So that's it friends. I hope you find this lecture useful. Here I conclude this lecture. If you have any question, feel free to ask. So that's it. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.